Hi, my name's Sam, and I'm the new owner here at the Budget Auto Center in Port Kells, Walnut Grove. I've been working on vehicles for about 12 years. I always had a passion for kind of taking things apart and figuring out how to put them back together as a kid, and slowly morphed into what I am today. I mainly enjoy the new challenge every day that this kind of industry provides. Oil changes, brakes and suspension, steering, drivability issues, custom exhaust work, custom tuning on diesel engines, and alignments. We can do it all. Customer service is key to our operation here. We try to keep everyone happy and safe. Our team here is highly trained and excellent at getting your car fixed the first time. The customers love our location here, especially if they're working in Port Kells. A lot of people are dropping off their vehicles on their way to work and picking them up when they're done. They know that they can trust us, and we provide them with the service that they're looking for. We're getting lots of people stopping by just to say hi and check the new location out. It's been great.
Budget Auto Center. Budget Auto Center.